Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be making this beautiful button animation. You can add this animation to all the buttons in your website. Let's start with the index.html and give it a class of div of class box. Inside the div of class box we will create basically different span for each character. For example, we have a button for the B. I will remove it. I will just showing. I will copy this and paste it. As button has 6 alphabets, so we will create 6 spans. For the second one is U, so I will change the second one to U. Third one, let's copy this 6 times because B-U-T and T-O-N. So basically I am creating every single thing for the different characters, right? T and T. Different spans for each character. And data type, I will use that data dash text in CSS later on. Let's start with an HTML and body. Give it a height of 100%. Give it a display of flex. Give it an align item center. Give it a justify content of center, and then give it a background color of papaya white. You can see that everything is now at center. Now let's take the class of box and give it a font size of 10 pixels. Give it a width of 2 em. Give it a height of 6 em. Give it a border of 0.2 pixels or 0.2 em solid, and then I will give it a color of black. Okay, now give it a text align of center so that it should be in text, should be in center, and give it a font family. I am just chosen any random font family. You can choose whatever you want. I will give it an overflow of hidden. Now let's rephrase it, and you can see that its position is changed. I will change everything. Inside the box there are spans, right? And in the span I will give it a display of inline block. Give a font size of 3 em. I will change the size of position in a while. Give it a line height of 2 em. Give it a color of blue. Give it a transition of 0.5 seconds. You can see I can now see B. I will change it. Just a minute. Okay. Now I will take the box and a span, and for the nth child, basically you can see that there are 6 childs for 6 spans. So I'm taking the odd ones and give it a transform or translate minus 100 pixels percent, sorry. Copy it and paste it, and now change it to even for the even childs, and change it minus to only 100%. Okay, I will change it one in a while. Now let's basically what I need to do is okay, let's change the width to 20. You can see because I'm not, the width was less, so I'm changing it to 20. Now it's almost done now, but let's change the box dot before, and for the before I will give it a content of a attribute of data dash text, which I used in the index.html file. You can see that I have used data.text in my index.html file. Now give it a position of absolute and a color of red. Now just copy it, paste it, and add before and after. Before and now add after. Basically before for both even and odd. Now let's dot box and hover. Whenever we will hover over it, over the button, we should see a transition, basically a transform. We can say a transform, and we will change the translate y to 100. Okay, the reason we are not seeing is just change these signs minus 100 and 100. Now you can see that it has appeared, and I have created what I have wanted. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.